all technology leaders today design very highly scalable, available, secure, and cost effective solutions and systems. Why? On the top of that, they want to have proficient alerting and monitoring, and also even AI based monitoring and predictive maintenance. Because one thing they always keep in their minds, that is, failure is imminent. No matter what best solutions or systems you can design, but there could be still some issues can trickle through, and some are even critical ones. But those leaders who can quickly put together their best engineers, best developers, best architects, best the power of agile and power of automation, and come up faster with a solid, secure, and robust solution will be the winner. Therefore, a positive and a mature leadership is critical during this process. Now let's apply the same mindset into the COVID 19 scenario we are in. So, all asymptomatic carriers or silent carriers, instead of thinking that they do not have any viruses in their bodies, if they think that after taking all best hygiene practices recommended by the CDC, World Health Organization, and our Surgeon General, and even after taking the best precautions possible, we are still some viruses are trickling through and entering into our body, then our approach would be completely different. Understand a little bit the microservices architecture of our immune system. As we know, there are millions of pathogens enters into our body while breathing, but billions of our white blood cells, which are really responsible for making antibodies, either know individually each of the pathogens or even stored the program or so-called the ECR or even Docker image in the memory cells of the white blood cells. So, for when a known pathogen enters into the human body, the antigen of that particular pathogen triggers kind of like serverless lambda function of the immune system, which then immediately picks up that program or even ECR or Docker image from the memory cells of the white blood cell and quickly spin up a proper shaped antibodies to attach to the antigen to kill that particular virus. In the novel coronavirus, the new lethal pathogen entered to human body, the story was completely different because the immune system was first time encountering this lethal pathogen and was scrambling for a moment how to respond because it didn't have any stored images or programmed in the memory cells to deal with this lethal pathogen. But the interesting fact is that those people who provided a positive and stable leadership to empower their immune system, the cell engineers and architect of their immune system able to put together code from scratch and come up with a very perfect solution and proper shaped antibodies to deal with this pathogen. Therefore, for those people who are infected initially, either have seen no symptoms or a very mild symptoms. The very latest findings and research that those people who are infected initially and are very strong and stable, their bodies quickly able to start producing the proper shaped antibodies, and those people able to tackle those viruses quickly, and they even see no symptoms or very mild symptoms and recovered from this disease COVID-19. We also know the other side of it, those people who are panicking, who are under stress, who are restless, and not able to empower their immune system with the proper leadership, their immune engineers or architects could not able to produce quickly the proper shaped antibodies. Hence, the new novel coronavirus was on rampage in their bodies, and they went on from the upper respiratory tract to lower respiratory tract and even destroying the complete respiratory system. Options we have now. So one easier option is we know that the vaccine, which is I called as a open source. I term as a open source because vaccine is nothing but a similar kind of a viruses generated in the laboratories, which can be induced into the human body, which can the immune system can train and program in advance, so that when the real pathogen enters your body, then it will take care of it. But we all know that that is a distant future and that's somewhere in the horizon. So the only other option we have is that we have to provide a mature and positive and stable leadership to our immune system, to empower our immune system to quickly program and to have this the and able to produce proper shaped antibodies to deal with these viruses. We can do definitely few things to empower our immune system. Number one is, after taking definitely all precautions, all hygiene practices and best precautions possible to prevent the entering this virus into our body, to coming in contact with these viruses. But then besides that, we have to provide a mature and a positive leadership. That means that we have to very stay strong and have a positive view, and also taking our stress level to normal, so that we should not be panicking, having a proper sleep, having proper our blood pressure and sugar level under control, and also taking positive look at that this is nothing but a similar virus we can deal with, and also eating proper diets like with the enriched with the vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin D to empower and to boost our immune system, which takes obviously time, but it helps as long as we start this process. But then also doing some of the deep breathing or diaphragmatic breathing exercises, which will in turn will strengthen our diaphragm muscles and also improve our lungs functions, because the better lungs functions we have, we can deal with this virus and immune system, we can deal this with these viruses very effectively. And even if we get infected, then we may not see any symptoms, or it will be a mild symptoms and we can recover easily. Empower our immune system so that naturally program for this and able to produce the proper shaped antibodies for this pathogen to deal with, so that we can be saved in this season and seasons going forward, and not waiting for the vaccines to come out. So this will really help us and help our society and country and the humanity in general to have this promote this idea of having a better and strong leadership with the improving our immune system to deal with this lethal pathogen. Thank you for watching.